Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on your Samsung Tab A11. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So we have the microphone right close to the charging port. So here we have the charging port. Now here we have the microphone port. And we definitely want to clean it thoroughly with a non-metallic tool. So we're going to use either a soft brush or an air compressor. I would recommend the soft brush. It's much better and faster, but the air compressor also does its job. So it's totally up to you. Now moving on, after cleaning the microphone port, what can we do is we can easily test the mic. So here I just unlock the tablet. And now let's go over to the apps, and here what we need to do is we need to use any app. So here we can use the voice recorder, we can use a camera or anything else. So let's use the voice recorder and let's allow while using the app and allow to access music and audio on our device. Now here we have the recordings. Here we started, and now let's click on allow. As you guys can see, we can see it working because the waves are moving right here, the sound waves. Now let's stop talking. And now they weren't moving. So that's how we know our microphone is definitely working. Now let's discard it and leave. And if it's still not working for you, then as a last resort, what you guys can do is update the software to fix any mic glitches. So go over to the settings. And here we are at the main page. You will see this. Now what you guys want to do is scroll all the way down until you guys see the software update. So as you guys can see, I'm right at the bottom and it's in the last section at the top. Let's click on download and install now. And it's checking for software updates automatically. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. And if you don't update it, then you might have a lot of glitches on your device or any bugs, including the microphone not working. So it's very useful to update the software and basically after you update the software, everything should be okay. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.